Hello, and welcome to Excel Formulas Unleashed. I'm Syed, and I'll be your instructor for this Microsoft Excel video series. So, let's start with the basics. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft, and it works across different platforms like Windows, Mac, Android, and even iOS. That means, no matter what device you're using, you can access and work on your Excel files easily. Now, you might be wondering, what can we do with Excel? Well, the answer is a lot. Excel is packed with powerful features. We can create all kinds of formulas and functions to make calculations easier. Build charts and pivot charts to visually represent our data. Use pivot tables to summarize and analyze large sets of information. Perform data analysis through sorting, filtering, and calculating subtotals. And so much more. In short, Excel is a complete package for handling data, whether you're tracking expenses, analyzing trends, or preparing professional reports. What do we need before we get started? Nothing complicated. Just a basic understanding of how to use a computer. If you know how to use a keyboard and a mouse, you're good to go. So, what will we be doing in this video series? First, I'll be using the latest version of Microsoft Excel, 2024 or 365, so everything we learn will be up to date. I've broken down the content into short and simple videos, so it's easier for you to find what you need and follow along at your own pace. And I'll be sharing time-saving shortcuts, like how we can create a chart or table in just a second, or build a pivot table in under 10 seconds. These tricks will make our work much faster and more efficient. I'm excited to take this journey with you. Together, we're going to explore the true power of Excel. And I promise, by the end of this series, you'll feel much more confident using it. Let's get started.